What's up, YouTube? My name is Nathan. I am the guy behind the Border View Farms YouTube channel, and I've kind of decided I wanted to try a little different format with some of my videos, do some stuff with me in them, try and explain what it is that we do, why we do it, how we do it, all those kind of things. If you're a farmer and you're watching this, that's great. I love hearing from other farmers, but really my target is people that don't farm. I want to kind of help share what we do and maybe, you know, explain some of the things so that there isn't so many misconceptions about what it is that we do in agriculture. So, to get started, it's what is today? The 12th, I think, of October. We have just started harvest last week. I'm actually combining some soybeans right now. You can see the grain tank here behind me. It has been kind of a challenging year for us here in Northwest Ohio, Southeast Michigan, where we farm. We were extremely wet this spring. Couldn't get a lot of our crops planted. Didn't get anything planted until into June. So harvest has also gotten started a little bit late here. We weren't really expecting great yields, and so far in the few beans that we have run, we've been kind of pleasantly surprised. We'll see if that keeps up. These beans that I'm in now are probably some of our worst looking beans all year, and we're averaging somewhere in the 40s, 47 it says at the moment. So if that keeps up, we'll be thrilled. So kind of a look at what I'm dealing with. Obviously they're thin, not great, but they'll be okay. So here is a look at our new grain cart we got this summer. Pretty awesome. So Brent 1196 tracks. These are the first tracks we've had on anything on our farm, so that's kind of a cool new thing for us. So just a little bit more background about our farm. I farm with my dad and my uncle. We run a little over 3,000 acres. Mostly raise corn and soybeans, a little bit of wheat. That's actually why we're out here running these beans today, because this field is going to go to wheat, and there's some rain coming in a couple of days. So we wanted to get the beans combined today so we can plant the wheat tomorrow. They're just a little bit wet, not too bad. So we're running between 14 and 15% moisture. For those of you that don't know, you'll want them to be about 13%. So not too bad. We'll run them, get the wheat planted tomorrow. Hopefully it will grow do better than we did this last year. We run mostly John Deere equipment on our farm. A few other things sprinkled in here and there, but the major stuff is all John Deere. If there's anything specific that anybody wants to know, leave us comments under the video and I will answer them in the next one. I don't know how often I'm going to put videos out. I'm kind of thinking 2 or 3 a week at this point, but while we're busy in the fields here, maybe more like every day. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to try and find interesting stuff to put in the videos, not just me talking, because I'm sure you don't really want to listen to me talk too much. I do also run a seed dealership. I'm a seed advisor for Golden Harvest, so I'll probably talk about that a little bit and give some feedback on some of the different hybrids and varieties and stuff that I sell. And the nice thing about farming and selling seed is that I plant the stuff that I sell, so I get a really good look at it and try and have a good relationship with my customers and share that information with them. So these beans are getting better. I'm still amazed for what they look like this summer. Of course, there are spots like that where there's nothing, but they're up to like 53 average, which is far better than I expected. I was hoping these beans would average 40, so that's good. We're happy. I have got to go unload that grain cart up there. You can't see it from here, but it is full, so we're taking up to that truck over there, and we'll keep moving. Kind of windy out here today. Well, that's a good thing because it's helping the beans dry down, so I won't complain too much.
right into it. Whoops. It's full. Back to the combine. Okay, let's finish this field. Got 10 acres left. Done with that field. Okay, I am done with the beans on this field. That's what I've got to do for today. So I'm going to move the combine, the grain cart, back up towards the road by the truck here and call it for today. Go home and see my kids, who I haven't seen for 2 days. Yeah, we'll see how the rest of this goes. I appreciate you watching. If you want to know when I'm putting out new videos, hit the subscribe button, like my videos, share them, whatever it takes. Hopefully this will go well. I'll keep making some videos and you guys will learn something. If there's any questions, anything you want to see in future videos, leave comments down below. Thanks. Have a good night.